Hi guys, this will be the starting video in the series on Matlab programming, okay? Well, first of all, I would like to tell you that at the end of each and every video of mine, you'll definitely feel happy because some stuff is there in this, and I promise you that, okay? Now, going to the Matlab, first of all, Matlab means Matrix Laboratory, and it uses this basic element as matrix. We do operations using the matrices, okay? Now, going into MATLAB stuff, first of all, MATLAB is a powerful language for technical computing, okay? And MATLAB can be used for math computations, modeling and simulations, data analysis and processing, visualizations and graphic. MATLAB is widely used in engineering, okay? Like in math and science departments. Well, this is used in research development and design, etc. Those kind of stuff. Well, now going into the software side, oh my god, I didn't even launch the software. Alright, you guys can see it with me, together with me. Well, MATLAB, I'm using the 2010 version. You can use the 2013 if you want. I think it would have been released already. Okay, well, it's slowly open. Well, my computer is kind of utter slow. Uh, Whatever. Yeah, it's there. Well, this is a MATLAB software. Now, the first thing that I'd like to tell is there are few windows in MATLAB software. Windows means this is a whole thing is a command window, okay, where you will write the code. So now this is a command prompt, okay. You will write all the bunch of the code that you want to write here. We'll go to the stuff later, and there are a few other windows like figure window, editor window, help window, and this is also say the workspace, the command history, this kind of stuff. Okay, we'll see about that later. Now let's jump into a few code details. Okay, suppose say this is where you write the code, right? So now suppose a equal to 2 and you click enter. In the output is showing that the variable a is equal to 2. That's fine. Now say if I've given a equal to 2, I put a semicolon over there. Now what happened is it's not showing us the output as the same way it showed the previous time. It's because why is we're putting a semicolon at the end of the statement. What is happening is if we put a semicolon, then MATLAB assumes that we already know the output, which means if we put a semicolon at the end, it doesn't show us the output because we already know it, and so we are putting a semicolon at the end of the statement. So now let's look at another example. Okay, b equal to 2. Now we're putting it, showing us the output. Now if we put a into b, if didn't put a semicolon, it will show us the output a into b. Both a and b are 2, so answer will be the 4. But now if I put the same a and b and then again a semicolon, it will not show us the output because we're putting a semicolon, because we know that a into b is already known to us. Or if a into b value is so much high or big, so that the output will be too much big in the screen, we can put a semicolon even then also. Is also another case. Okay, now see the cursor carefully here. Now I'm just pressing arrow buttons. If I press up arrow, it will show me all the previous commands that I entered. See, it's showing me all the previous. If I put down, press down, it will show me all the recent commands from the top. So this is one of the operations. Well, it's good. Well, in MATLAB it's not possible to go back to the previous line command window. Well, all you have to do is make a correction and then re-execute the command. Okay, don't forget that. Well, another simple operation I would like to tell is uh, there is another thing which is a simple thing in MATLAB, that is the CLC command. If I click CLC, then all the stuff will go and then the screen will be clear. See how good it is. Well, whatever. And another important thing is if I press capital CLC, well, it says undefined. Well, let me show you. I'm clicking now a equal to 2 and then again b equal to 2. Now both, if I want to clear the similar way CLC it won't work because MATLAB is what case sensitive. It differs between the capital and the small letters. So don't forget that. So what I'm saying is, I'll give another example to you, okay, to be clear. Now suppose say you are given a variable a equal to some 7, and then you are given another variable like a equal to, wait, not capital A this time, let's give small a equal to 7. No, not 7, 8. And now both the small a and capital A are different. What I am saying is, wait, now make another variable b equal to 2, okay. Now if you calculate small a into b is 16, whereas if you calculate the capital A into b is different. Okay, I hope you guys understand that. Okay, well, that's all for this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. In my next video I would like to talk about arithmetic operations that are present in the MATLAB, which is very simple thing. Well, that's it for today's tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe.